Extend. To make something longer or bigger. Example: he extended his hand to shake mine. Rivalry. A situation where people or groups compete against each other. Example: the rivalry between the two football teams is intense. Polytheism. The belief in many different gods is called polytheism. Example: ancient Greeks practiced polytheism and worshipped many gods like Zeus and Apollo. Impose. To force something on someone. Example: the government imposed new taxes on imported goods. Plaintiff. A person who brings a case to court. Example: the plaintiff accused the company of fraud. Dedicate. To give time or effort to something. Example: he dedicated his life to helping the poor. Prevalent. Something that happens often or is found in many places. Example: this disease is prevalent in tropical countries. Manifesto. A public statement of beliefs and goals. Example: the politician released a manifesto promising free education. Retaliate. To fight back after being attacked. Example: he retaliated by punching his opponent in the face. Ineffective. Something that is not working well. Example: the new medicine was ineffective in treating the disease. Profligate. Wasteful with money or resources. Example: he lived a profligate life, spending money on luxury items. Admire. To respect or like someone. Example: I admire her hard work and dedication. Inane. Silly or meaningless. Example: his inane jokes didn't make anyone laugh. Insidious. Harmful but in a sneaky way. Example: The insidious disease spread without showing symptoms at first. Amnesty. A decision to forgive or not punish someone. Example: the government granted amnesty to political prisoners. Envisage. To imagine something in the future. Example: I envisage a world where people live in peace. Fag. A British slang word for a cigarette. Also an offensive word in some contexts, so be careful using it. Example: he went outside for a quick fag. Substantiate. To prove something with evidence. Example: he couldn't substantiate his claims about the stolen money. Adversely. In a bad or harmful way. Example: smoking adversely affects your health. Quashed. To cancel or stop something. Example: the judge quashed the unfair law. Deprecate. To disapprove of something. Example: he deprecated the use of violent video games for kids. Pave. To cover a surface with material, like cement, or to prepare the way for something. Example: they paved the road with bricks. Her hard work paved the way for success. Antique. Something old and valuable. Example: she bought an antique clock from the market. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.